Good afternoon. Today on Customer States What? My vehicle won't start and it's cranking really slow. Please check and advise. Also, for multi-point, say no more. So we're looking around the car and we could see that the coolant's a little low. It's just a top off over there. I took the cowl out to inspect some wiring and I'll show you in a little bit why. Look at the brake fluid. Oh, a little reptile spit. So looking around further, we could see that the covering for the harness is missing over here for some reason. Now I took out the air box to inspect some wiring. The filter's all dirty. So I don't know, if you look down there, looks like we got some bad wiring. The car was cranking really slowly and the porter said when they put the jump box on, jump box started to smoke. Alright, well, let's take it up top. And so now that we took the car up top, starting to look around, see that we got a little oil leak right here, somehow coming out of the coolant line. All right. Oh, we got a little more oil leak over here. A little flavor, a little self-lubricating chassis system at its finest. So, I smell beef. I smell beef drippings. I smell a possible good job here. We got oil leak. Then, what is that? Go back up top. Oh, this car almost caught fire. Looks like we had a thermal event caused by some high mechanical resistance of the starter, causing the amperage to get a little stepped up and melted the alternator, melted the harness too. So we're gonna have to recommend to replace the starter, the harness, the alternator, and retest the system. Hopefully everything starts and charges after that. Yeah, we at least did spin the engine, make sure we don't have any resistance within the engine, so the engine spins, nothing wrong there. It's all that. So, alternator, starter, harness, bushings, all gugats. So, thank you. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.